Welcome to the exciting world of business management with London School of Planning and Management. Are you ready to embark on a journey towards success? Discover our Level 4+5+6 Diploma in Business Management, meticulously designed to equip you with essential skills for thriving in the dynamic business landscape. From strategic planning to effective leadership, financial management to marketing strategies, our comprehensive program covers all aspects of modern business management. Join us and unlock the doors to endless opportunities in the world of business. Enroll in our Diploma in Business Management today and take the first step towards a rewarding career. Explore the world of business management with LSPM. Your success story begins here. To apply, visit our website www.lspm.org.uk today.